Okay, good morning guys. I'm going to put together this video so you can see how I do my oven omelet. So right now what I'm going to do is going to put my onions, put my onions in my pan, and I'm also going to put me some bell pepper in my pan. It's kind of like making a soft Western omelet, but it's going to be in the oven. So I got butter in here. I have onions, bell pepper, and I'm going to show you the type of butter I'm using. So right now, I'm using some Smart Balance. Supports healthy cholesterol levels. And then now I have my onions and bell peppers in here. I have tomatoes. I'm going to put them also in here. And then I'm going to take you over to the oven. And we're going to let this cook for a while. So, and I have the oven on 350. And when that's done, I'll bring you back. Okay guys, so I got my onions and bell pepper and tomatoes out of the oven. And again, this is for my omelet. I have the ingredients so far I'm using is diced tomatoes, bell pepper, onion, and tomatoes are in here. So now the next step, I put a little butter into my pan. Okay, you could add whatever you want, but what's going to cook the longest, you want to go ahead on and kind of put it in there. I have not used salt and pepper yet, so I'm going to show you the next step I'm going to do. Here are my eggs. Okay, these are egg whites. So girls, you better stop. I have some bagged spinach, and I'm gonna layer some in the pan or Pyrex pan. Doesn't matter, you can put it in however you want. Now I'm gonna pour my egg whites. However much you want to cook. It's not a certain measurement on either of this. So if you want only a small omelet, I mean, I would say a half a cup, measuring cup, should be fine. Now, if you're cooking for more than one person, then you may want to use more. So the next thing I'm going to do is not necessarily use whatever cheese you want. I'm going to put a little Parmesan cheese up in here. Not a lot. That's for me. That's to my taste. But you will put it to your taste. I got my mozzarella cheese. Well, it's my Italian style cheese. Okay. Then we're going to get our pepper. I'm going to dress mine up with a little pepper to start off. Not a lot. I'm going to start sneezing in a minute. And my no salt seasoning. Those that know, I'm a type 2 diabetic, so I have to watch what I put in. I'm trying to be more responsible for how much I'm intaking on certain things, as well as I have high blood pressure. And lately, my blood pressure has been fine since I went back to switch up my diet. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven just like so. Close it up and let it cook. So this version, well, I'll bring you back when it's time to take it out and let you see my last and final step. For some people, that may be too slow for them on cooking an omelet. Well, when you're busy, you have a lot of things you got going on, it's very simple. And if you want that perfect omelet that you can just flip over, that is a great way to do that. Okay, where you're not having to rush. You can let it slow cook, and it's going to do perfect. And you will see once it's done. So what I'm cooking with this meal, I have no meat in this omelet. So it's a meatless omelet. You can put meat in it if you choose to. But I will have meat. I will have some 2 sausage patties, as well as 2 wheat toast, pieces of toast, okay? So it's an easy recipe. It's something really good if you're trying to watch what you eat. And you can use regular eggs, you know, but it's better if you just use the egg whites. So that's what I'm using, the liquid egg whites. You can do your own egg whites by opening up the egg and letting the whites drop. Girls, I am recording. Can you just a minute? I'm almost done. I have the twins. We're at home. It's Saturday. Their parents, unfortunately, are essential workers. My husband is an essential worker, so they're getting out, and me and the girls are here. And we're going to do some more fun things, so hopefully we can bring you along. If you like this Garden to the Table video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and leave a comment. Share the video if you choose to. Have a great day. Be back. Okay, guys, now everything is out of the oven. I have my meat, but my toast right here. I have my meat, and now I'm gonna put my. Oh, let me get the pot holder so you can see the where's my pot holder? Oh. And this is my omelet. I'm using my raggedy spatula. So all I'm gonna do, loosen it up. Usually it don't take this much. Lay it down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Flip it. Now, because I don't mind having cheese, I'm going to put me a little bit more cheese on it. When you learn about the things that you can eat, boy, that's a good thing. Now, I'm not telling you to overdo it. And you can actually, if you choose to, you can top it off. I want all my little residue. You can top it off with anything you like. And that's it. So, I hope you like this omelet recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Like, of course, share, leave a comment. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button again. And also, don't forget about the notification bell so you can always know when Love Lady is putting out a new video. Thank you guys and have a great day.